Today, I'm going to present a summary of our scoping review titled The Voice of Choice, which was recently published in Applied Animal Behavioral Science. This open access article assesses how providing animals with the opportunity to choose affects their quantitative welfare. Here's a short recap on our findings. If you're in the animal industry, you know that choice and control is a hot topic across industry conferences and animal welfare literature. However, evidence of improved welfare through increased choice is often only described anecdotally. As a result, we evaluated the literature based on these 5 contingent criteria. Each study must 1. Offer simultaneous presentation of 2 or more stimuli or events. This excludes all or nothing methodologies where the only 2 options available to the animal are either to engage or not engage. 2. The choice condition was evaluated against a no-choice condition and a baseline. 3. The study evaluated specific stimuli as opposed to a bombardment of novel stimuli such as an introduction to a new enclosure. 4. The study must use quantitative data. And 5. The welfare must be assessed based on having the opportunity to choose versus its absence. Based on this inclusion criteria, 3,083 papers were identified across PubMed, Web of Science, and Scopus databases. After removing duplicates, only 13 papers met all 5 inclusion criteria. All 13 papers measured various behavioral outputs, with 4 of those 13 including both physiological and behavioral output measures. These studies spanned 3 managed settings, including agriculture, research lab, and zoos. Out of the 2018 papers screened, only 1 paper included companion animals, however, it did not meet inclusion criteria as a choice study. This highlights a significant gap in companion and shelter animal choice-based studies. 7 papers were conducted in zoo settings across 7 species, including polar bears, giant pandas, tigers, chimps, gorillas, Asian elephants, and African elephants. 4 papers were in agricultural settings involving 4 species: salmon, mink, lambs, and cows. The last 2 papers were from research labs examining mice and Amazon parrots. A major theme was enclosure-related choice, which meant choice conditions such as increased number of enclosure areas, temperature variance, or multiple substrate types. From this choice type, 67% of studies specifically evaluated the welfare impact of offering choice between simultaneous indoor and outdoor access. Food choice and enrichment choice each had 2 studies, but there was no literature addressing choices in training or social interaction. Overall, 64% of studies reported a positive welfare impact as a result of choice provision, while 36% of studies reported a neutral or unclear welfare impact. Choices with quantitative welfare benefits included simultaneous indoor and outdoor access, diverse food texture or food composition, and the option to access different environmental temperatures. Our review found that allowing the animals the opportunity to choose led to improved behavioral and physiological welfare for a range of species across agriculture, lab, and zoological settings. However, with only 13 papers identified that quantitatively assessed the impact of choice, there's a clear disparity between assertions of providing improved welfare through choice and empirical published literature. Based on this and multiple papers in our review indicating neutral or unclear results, there's a critical need to empirically validate welfare benefits and improve evaluating and reporting the benefits of choice. If you'd like to check out the free article, click on the link. Any questions can be emailed to the corresponding author, Dr. Fernandez. Thank you.